How to travel for free or on a budget. If you want to travel for free or at a very low cost, you can combine a few creative methods to minimize your expenses. Here are the best ways. 1. Save money on transportation. Frequent flyer. Miles and reward programs. Collect credit card points or airline loyalty miles to get free flights. Volunteer for overbooking compensation. Airlines sometimes oversell tickets. If you volunteer to take a later flight, you can get free travel vouchers. Alternative transport options. Use carpooling services like BlaBlaCar, take advantage of bus or train promotions, or look for last-minute deals. Hitchhiking. In safe regions, hitchhiking can be a free and adventurous way to travel while meeting new people. 2. Reduce or eliminate accommodation costs. Use couchsurfing. Stay for free with locals and experience their culture firsthand. Workaway, WWWoof, Help X. Work a few hours daily at farms, hostels, or houses in exchange for free accommodation and food. Home exchange. Swap your home with another traveler to save on lodging expenses, hostels, and camping. Budget-friendly hostels and free campsites can significantly cut costs. Some hostels offer free stays in exchange for work. Use TripBFF, a platform that connects solo travelers so they can share accommodation costs and join local events. 3. Save on food expenses. Shop at local markets and supermarkets. Instead of eating out, buy fresh food and cook your own meals. Use hostel kitchens. Many hostels have communal kitchens where you can prepare meals instead of dining at restaurants. Volunteer for free meals. Work in a restaurant, hostel, or with a local family to receive free food. 4. Find free or cheap activities. Join free city tours, Guru Walk, a platform offering free walking tours worldwide. You can explore a city with local guides and tip them based on your budget. Free walking tours. Many cities offer these tours where guides work for tips. You decide how much to pay. Look for free museum days and historical sites. Many museums and landmarks offer free entry on certain days. Check local events, festivals, street performances, and public celebrations are great ways to enjoy free activities. 5. Fund your travels. Become a digital nomad. Work remotely as a freelancer in fields like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Start a travel blog or YouTube channel. Share your journeys and earn money through sponsorships or ad revenue. Use your talents. Play music, draw, or sell handmade crafts to earn extra cash while traveling. Please write your experiences in the comments. And don't forget to follow me for more travel trips and tips.